Hi, I'm Paul. Welcome to Pass4Future Today topic. What is the difficulty level of the Azure Administrator AZ-104 exam? Let's about the key topic. 1. What is the difficulty level of the AZ-104 exam? 2. Is this AZ-104 exam difficult for beginners? 3. What is required to pass the Azure Administrator exam? 4. How important is technical knowledge? 5. How helpful is real-world experience? 6. Can you pass the exam with just theory? 7. What is the best way to create a study plan? 8. How helpful are practice tests? 9. How to improve time management? 10. How to handle exam pressure? Let's with deeply detail about key topic Azure Administrator AZ-104 exam. The AZ-104 exam is considered moderate to challenging. It's not the toughest certification out there, but it does require solid preparation. You need both theoretical understanding and hands-on experience with authentic sources. I hope you understand this topic. Beginners might find this exam a bit tough, especially if they don't have prior cloud experience. However, with proper study and practice, even those new to Azure can pass the exam with confidence. I hope you understand this topic. To pass the exam, you need to understand Azure's core services: networking, storage, security, and monitoring. Hands-on practice is equally important. I hope you understand this topic. Technical knowledge plays a crucial role. The exam tests your ability to configure and manage Azure environments, so just memorizing concepts won't be enough. You need practical knowledge too. I hope you understand this topic. If you have real-world experience with Azure, it will help. Many questions are scenario-based, meaning they test how you would solve real problems rather than just recalling facts. I hope you understand this topic. Relying only on theory can be risky. Microsoft emphasizes practical knowledge, so hands-on labs and real-time Azure practice tests are crucial. Make sure you apply what you learn instead of just reading. I hope you understand this topic. A well-structured study plan includes reading official Microsoft documentation, practicing on Azure, and taking Pass4Future practice tests. Divide your preparation into daily or weekly goals to cover all exam topics efficiently. I hope you understand this topic. Pass4Future AZ-104 practice tests are extremely useful. They help you get familiar with the question format, identify weak areas, and improve time management. Try taking at least 3 to 4 AZ-104 practice tests before the actual test. I hope you understand this topic. Managing time is key to passing the exam. Learn to answer questions efficiently. Skip tough ones and come back later. Practice tests under timed conditions to get comfortable with the exam pace. I hope you understand this topic. Exam stress is normal, but staying calm is important. Get proper sleep before the exam, take deep breaths, and trust your AZ-104 exam preparation. Don't panic if you see a tough question. Stay focused and move strategically. I hope you understand this topic. And that's everything you need to know about the difficulty level of the AZ-104 exam. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Azure-related content. Good luck with your exam!